Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming to share with you the spanking brand new Heartfelt Creations Lilac, the Lush Lilac collection. So I rushed to get this. I paid for it. I got it from Ruby's store that I talked about earlier this month and last month. I really love her store. So this is the first set of the collection. I got the I Want It All, and you're going to want to get the I Want It All because it does come with the molds, and I'm going to talk about the molds last so that you can see just what they look like. So this is the first set of the Lilac collection. It has these dies right here, and the dies fit beautifully with the stamps. They coordinate so well. So I'm going to show you how the stamps stamp out, and you just take the die and line them up like this, so you can cut out a lot of flowers at once. So you just tape it down and run this through any die cutting machine like that, and you can color them out. So really nice there. So I'm going to show you just how it looks layered up with the lilacs that stamp out. So this is how it looks when you stamp it out. Okay, and then when you run them through the molds and then you layer them onto this cut, this is how it looks. Really pretty. And then I'm going to also show you how it looks on a card. So here is a card that I added the lilacs to, and this is what it looks like on a card. Really pretty. So you can also put the lilacs on some of the stamps that stamp out. So I just wanted to show you that, and this is some of the papers that come out of the collection as well. So here are some of the stamps. So I had stamped out everything and also die cut it out. So this is one of the stamps out of this stamp set. It's called Lush Lilac. This is the first one, and I just wanted to show you how well the stamps line up and also die cut out. So this is one of the stamps, and this is one right here. This is how this looks, and then this also gives you an idea of how the lilac should look when you pair the two together with the flowers and the actual die cut. So if you don't have an idea how it looks, this is how it should look. Okay, and then you can turn it over to see, you know, more details. So this is the dies that come with it, and it shows you how many dies come in the set. So again, here is how well that cuts out. Very well. Matches up perfectly. And then this is one. And then this is how well it cuts out with the die. Okay, so that's the first set I wanted to show you. Moving on to the next set, there's 6 pairs. Actually, there's 2 dies. Actually, no, there's 3 dies and 3 stamps for the I Want It All bundle. So the next set is called Sweet Lilac Scroll and Notes, and then it pairs up with the Sweet Lilac Scroll and Cage. So this is what it looks like right here, and it comes with Have a Sweet Day, For My Friend, Just a Note, and Praying for You. And this is what the Praying for You looked like on my card, and I layered it up with some of the lilacs, and then I stamped out the Praying for You on the scroll. And so there you go. This is how this looks on the back. So I did cut out some of the stamps and dies together, and I colored them with one of the sponge daubers. So I just wanted to share with you how it looks, and this is without any of the words on the scroll. And this is how the bird cage cuts out. Really intricate and pretty. That's how that looks. And then here are the dies. Gives you the dimensions and everything. Okay, and then the next set is Lilac Umbrella Spray and this pairs up together, so they're both the same name. So here's the dies, and here's the matching stamps, and then I did stamp and die cut that. I colored everything. So this is how the flowers look, and this is how the umbrella looks, and then you can layer the lilacs on to the umbrella as well if you want to get a dimensional look. And then there's also a little butterfly that you can cut out as well. There's a die for that, and I'll turn that one over so you can see the little butterflies right here that you can cut out. So you don't have to fussy cut anything out when you get the dies and the stamps to match. So really love that there. Then I also wanted to show you the mold. This is what I wanted the most, and that's why it's great to get the I Want It All bundle, because it's a really great price. That's why I really love going to Ruby's store, because it was a great price to get everything at once. So in the molds, you will put this right here goes in the mold. This cut right here goes into this part of the mold. So you put that in there. And then of course the little lilac flowers. These fit inside the mold right here. And you just put them all in there. And you can mold as many as you want at once. And then I also learned a little trick, which I'll share with you later on in another video about these molds. Okay, and then I also got the paper pad with the mold. I'm sorry, with the I Want It All bundle, and I'll share with you. The paper collection is beautiful, and one thing that I was really excited about this collection is it's my favorite color, purple. So the papers are beautiful. So I'm going to clear this away so you can just see all the papers in the collection. So I just need some room here. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. So I need a lot of room for the paper pad. And here's my little card. Put that over to the side. Okay. Okay, here is the paper pad. There's 24 pieces, and they're all double-sided. The papers are beautiful, and I have cut the whole paper pad open so you can see all the papers. So I'm just going to slowly go through every sheet. Just look how beautiful that is. All my favorite colors. I just love how well the greens and all the shades of purple go together. And then look at that umbrella. It's just so pretty. And then also has the same butterfly and the birds and the bird in the houses, and just all the little tags. You can see the little tags in there. See if I can zoom out just a little bit more. Okay, this is going to be amazing. It just makes you want so many paper pads of this collection. Let's see, did I skip a page? This is really, really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over so you can see the other side. And then I also wanted to share with you something in the paper pad that you may not have noticed, but I'll point it out. So this is a really pretty page, and I love this page too. Let's see. Okay, these are all the same. So right here, this page right here, you can take your die if you want to, if you don't feel like stamping them out, and you can line this up with your die and cut the flowers out so you don't have to color them or stamp them out, and you can just cut them directly from the page. So I just wanted to point that out if you did not know. It lines up perfectly with the die, and you just tape it down and run that through your die cutting machine. And you can do this in the other color too. You can just line this up on the other side and tape it down and cut it out. Okay, so I just thought I'd point that out to you in case you did not know. Okay, and there's 2 sets of that. That's just an option. Alright, and then here is, I love this page. It's so pretty. Just with the scroll. And then on this side, this beautiful swallowtail butterfly. Oh, and this is so gorgeous. Oh, and this page is, every page is gorgeous. It's like yummy, yummy, yummy. All my favorite shades of purple. Greens too. I love green and purple. It's just a perfect color combination. Okay, and that is the paper pad. So, I hope you're excited about this collection. They really did a great job with this collection. I will link Ruby's store in the description box below. She has a fabulous price for the I Want It All bundle, as well as if you want to buy these individually or just the molds or just the mold and stamp and die set for the Lilac collection. It's a really exciting collection for Heartfelt Creations. They really did a great job with this one. I just love everything. So that's my share for today. So take care, everyone. I will have a video coming up on how to demo the flowers and how to put everything together. So be sure to check out that video later on this week. So take care, everyone, and have a fabulous day.